Hello, welcome to Picky Assist. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to connect Google products and WhatsApp. So especially in this video, we will going to learn how to connect Google Sheet with the WhatsApp, SMS and email to send automatic birthday or anniversary greeting wishes. Yes, you will be able to send automatic birthday or anniversary wishes without any manual interventions right from your Google Sheet. So now let's get started. So those who are very new to Picky Assist, so Picky Assist is a business communication platform which helps customers to automate their different business communication requirements. So we have different products like Teambox, Broadcaster, Smart Replace, Connector, Sequence, etc., which helps you to automate your different business communication requirements, which got integrated into different channels like WhatsApp official, WhatsApp automation, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and more channels are under integrations, and it can connect with wide products apart from the Google Sheets. So now let's beginning with the Google Sheet integration. So we have a step-by-step guide for those who would like to achieve these integrations. So this is available in our blog, or you can go to pickyassist.com/blog and search for the Google Sheet integration for birthday greetings and payment reminders. So payment reminders we are not considering for this video. We will do a separate video for that. So before getting started, make sure that you have a Picky Assist account where the WhatsApp channel, web automation or WhatsApp official channel is connected. Then you should have access to the Picky Assist connector feature. It's a product which offered by Picky Assist. Then you should have a Google Sheet where your birthday greetings are saved, okay, and you should be the owner of the Google Sheet. So these are the possibilities which we can do. Right now we are limiting only to the first point, sending birthday anniversary greetings when the day and month is matched to the current day. So I have a sheet which is already prepared here. So in this sheet, in this Google Sheet, you can see that I have the mobile number and the name and the birthday, okay. So the birthday you can see that is current right now arranged in the DDMMYYY format. That means day, month and year format, okay. So always make sure this is the column where we will be running the automations, okay. Before getting started, so make sure that your your sheet contains the WhatsApp number or email, because if you want to do it with the email, then you can even use the email field as well from here. So this is the number. So make sure that the number contains the country code as well. Like in case if your number doesn't contain the country code, it is still possible to send WhatsApp messages, but it is limited to only one country. For example, if your number is not with the country code, and in this case all your customers should be only from one country, in that cases you will be able to manually append the country code while doing the set configuration. We will demonstrate how this can be done, okay. Now let's get started. So go to the Picky Assist platform. We will make use of the connector platform. So the getting started, the very first step is to create a connector in the Picky Assist platform. Go to the Picky Assist platform, go to more menus, automation, then connector. So from here, create a new connector by giving any name. So we will give Google birthday greetings. So that's it, a connector is created and you have given a connector URL. So we will learn how to implement this URL. Now what is the next step? Now next step is to set up the Google script. So to do that, you have to open the Google Sheet, then navigate to the extension app script. So let's go here, then go to the extensions, then app scripts. So this opens a code window like this, okay. Then we have to scroll down and we have a code. So simply you need to copy this code. Okay, so copy this code, the entire code without any missing till here, then just copy and paste it. Just remove all the pre-built functions here, then place it. Then can give a name, birthday greetings. Now we have the script ready. Now we have to do certain customization in this specific script based on your requirement. So here we have, you can see that these are the fields which we need to do the customization. The target column D. So target column D means in which column your birthday is saved. Now in this case the birthday is saved in the D. So the target column is D, that is correct. Then the sheet name. The sheet name is the sheet here, like sheet name, sheet 1. If you have many sheets, then make sure that you specify this sheet name. If you have only one sheet, then you can leave it as blank as well. But when you leave it blank, make sure that it is under the course, single course. Okay, but we will keep it the sheet 1 here. Now the data offset. Now we have these settings. We have explained in detail what is data offset. Date offset. So date offset basically not applicable for birthday greetings, because you are sending birthday greetings in the same day. This is mostly applicable for sending the reminders and bill dues, which we will cover in the next video. So we will just keep that as 0. Then ignore year, that is something which ignore year. So ignore year means, like, the false means the system will ignore the year. So for birthday greetings we generally don't need the year, we need the day and month. So we will keep this as false. Then ignore month also we will keep as false. Then the trigger name, the alert. So birthday alert we can say as birthday alert. So you can customize this according to your requirement. Then the trigger URL. This is something which is very important, that we have created a connector, and this connector we have got the URL. Then copy this and paste this inside the single quotes. Always make sure that you are pasting this inside the quotes, single quotes. Okay. So now we have the trigger URL as well configured. Okay, so this is the code which we copied and paste into the Google code. Now just click on this save. Alright, now the code is ready. Now we have to set up trigger. So the next step is to set up the triggers. Now you can see that once the code is set up, then you have to set up the trigger in the Google form. A trigger basically happens based on the event. Right now every day morning we want to check that whether any specific dates are meeting the current criteria. That means whether any specific day is the current day. Not only day, the month also need to be matched. Okay, so for doing that, go to the script, then the triggers. On the trigger we have to click on the add trigger here. So here we have the picky alert function, which is already available right now. Then head, then make sure the from spreadsheet. Here from the select event source, make it date time driven. Then here we want to check it for daily day timer. So every day the script will run. Then select a day of a time. So we prefer to go between 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. so that morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. these greetings will be sent. So that's it, just save it. It will take some time. Okay, it will ask for the pop-ups, click on advanced and go to birthday greetings, allow. Done. So we have now set up the trigger as well. Now let's test. Right now today date is 10th of August, and this year we are ignoring, so we can say that today is 10th of August. So I will be running right now the entire script to be set up to run daily morning, but I can run it manually right now. So to run it manually, to check, go to the editor, then select the code, that is a code, then we can click on run. Okay, now go to the connector and we can see that a new log is added here. So just click on the view and here you can see that the record which is matching the date and the informations are extracted, that is the number and the name. That means this specific raw data is being extracted. Right now here there is no email, so let me put my email as well. Okay. Now we can execute the code once more. You don't need to do it every time, because we have already set up a trigger which will happens automatically, which is scheduled to run every day morning between 8 AM to 9 AM. So just run it once more. Okay, now we can refresh here. Now we can see that we have got the email as well here. Now the A is the mobile number and B is the email and C is the name and the D is the date. Then the trigger name which is been passed by here, this is the alert. Okay, if you have multiple scripts, this helps you to identify which script got executed, and based on that you will be able to take different steps. Now how to send a WhatsApp or email or an SMS. So we will demonstrate how to send the WhatsApp, considering that you have a WhatsApp number which is connected with the Picky Assist platform. For that we have to create a step. So click on the step, then on the actions, then here you have the option send message. Click on it, then add mobile number. Then from here in the mobile field we have to map the mobile number which is from the Excel sheet. In our case the mobile number is in the column A. Okay, so here we have to go and click on this attribute. This is the wherever you are seeing this symbol in the connector, this means you have something to customize the attributes. Dynamically you will be able to map certain fields from some other application. So we have to click on it, and from here select the Google birthday greeting. This is the connector name which we have given, so always select that. Then in the field is A. Okay, so now we have the mobile number which got added here. So those if in case if the mobile number here is not with the country code, then you can simply add the country code here like 1. Okay, so without plus you can add the country code, but this work only if your entire sheet country in the Excel, in the Google sheet, your entire number is not saved without country code. If you have customers from different part of the world, then this logic will not work. You have to make sure the Google sheet contain the country code as well. Okay, if the country codes are added in two columns, then also you can simply merge the 2 columns. You can click the cursor here and select the second or wherever the country code is listed. Alright, now the second option is we have to select the application. Right now we are selecting the WhatsApp web automation. So if you have the WhatsApp official account activated, you can click on the WhatsApp official. So WhatsApp web automations, now we have to draft the greetings. So hello, the personalization is again here. So don't use this the name, this is the Picky Assist field name, so always use it from the Google sheet. Okay, so the name is here in the C. Okay, or happy birthday. Again, if you want the name to be inserted, then we can simply insert the name. Okay, I think this is not required. Now if you would like to attach any images, you can simply go and if you have the images from some links, you can do it from here, or you can select, I have a birthday greetings here, so insert. Okay, so now we have the message ready. So this will send a WhatsApp message. We have to make sure the action is enabled, and we have to make sure it is been saved. Okay, now if you wish to send an email apart from the WhatsApp message, then here you can create one more action, send email, and you can map the email address from here. Then from here you can map the email address, that is in the B column. Then the subject, happy birthday. You can customize the name and update the body. So I am using the same body right now. You can add any kind of contents here. So now we have two options, send email and send messages. Whenever we receive an update from the Google Sheet. So those who would like to send it as a SMS. Okay, so for SMS we have to create one more step here. So there are a lot many SMS gateways available to send messages, SMS, but PKSS don't have any native integration, but many of these SMS gateway provides HTTP API. So one of the popular SMS gateway is Twilio. So we have a detailed introductions how to integrate Twilio SMS API into PK Assist. Basically, it make use of the PK Assist, the connector and HTTP API request. So we have a detailed step-by-step instructions here that need to be configured under the new steps. So this is, we can name it as sending SMS. So this step can be sending WhatsApp and email. Okay, so now the sending SMS. So we want to send the SMS only if it is not a WhatsApp number. That means if it is not a WhatsApp number, then only this step need to be executed. Okay, so for that we have to use the filter. That means this step need to be executed only if the what number is not a WhatsApp number. For that you have to first select the filter and enable the filter, select the condition here, from select the WhatsApp number. Okay, here the WhatsApp or mobile number. Then in the select field type, select the WhatsApp. Okay, and is not. So this condition will execute is not, make sure the channel is also WhatsApp web automation. Now what it checks that this specific condition becomes true, then only the actions which is configured here, that is an HTTP action which basically calls a third-party API from here. So those who are using Twilio can simply follow the steps which we have in the blog. You can search the Twilio integrations right from here. Then simply follow the steps and update the details in this field. So we are just disabling this right now, but by this way you would be able to achieve the SMS, email and WhatsApp integration. Now let's save the information. Now I have kept it all the actions off in this specific steps. You can create any number of steps to add more steps. Like if you would like to send a message to a WhatsApp groups, then from here also you can send a message to WhatsApp group as well. Okay, you can select the group and type the messages. This is completely optional. Based on your requirements you can send. Right now we have the actions which sends an email and which sends a WhatsApp message as well. So let's test this. Okay, now for testing we again go to the code window and just run this once more. Okay, now we can switch and refresh. We can see that the event got received, and let's see whether I got any messages. Yes, you can see that I got this message right now. Okay, so this is how the WhatsApp integration or SMS integration or email integrations with the Google Sheet works via Picky Assist connector. So hope you have liked the video. If you have any doubts, then do email to us support@pickyassist.com and we will definitely assist you. We will come up with another video of how to integrate Google Sheet with for payment due reminders very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.